everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be sharing with you some review of the Born Pretty products. So the first one is this one, its ID is 52337. All the details of these products will be in the description below, including their product ID and their price and their direct link so that you can easily get them. So the first one is basically a nude kind of gel polish. It's in brown shade range. So as you know, the autumn goes usually for the brown shades or for the orange shade, and you can perfectly use this one for that one, for the autumn nail art. So I would recommend you this one for exactly for the autumn nail art. If you combine this one with a darker brown, or you can also create a sweater effect nail art with these, you're gonna look pretty good. It gives you full coverage in just one coat, but I would recommend you to go for two coats so that you can see the color better. So the next shade is this one, its ID is 49151, and it's basically a metallic gel paint. So it's a gel polish, but it's in a metallic effect, and it's really liquid, so you need to be careful while you handling it with it so you don't spill it out. And it's called metallic gel paint because it's actually give you metallic effect. You can see that I'm drawing a basic pattern of the leaf pattern, and you can see the leaf, the metallic effect that it's giving it. You can get the different shades that are golden, rose gold, or other kind of shades. I will leave the link in the description box of this one so you can easily check the product and see how it looks like. And you just need to cure it just like a normal gel polish. So you it's basically a normal gel polish with that effect. The next shade is this one, its ID is 55273. It's a Rhinestone Glue Gel, and as you know, gluing a rhinestone is the most difficult thing. So it's easy to stick the smaller size one, but if you want to stick the bigger one, you actually need a good rhinestone glue gel so that it can hold them. So here I'm just gonna try with kind of medium to large size of nail embellishment. So here I'm just gonna try with some flowers that I did made using the acrylic. They did not come out very well, but I just wanted for a try. So I'm just gonna try if they stick on, because if this gel can stick on these, then you can stick everything. So I'm just gonna put using the dotting to put a kind of dot on the nail so that it can be used as a base for my flowers. And I first used a kind of medium size, then I'm gonna put a large size, and then I'm gonna put again a medium size one so that I can easily glue them on, and I can actually show you that if it's pretty good or not, if it can hold or not. So here you can see, even if I put a lot of pressure, it's not coming off easily, so that one it's a good thing. So next one is the 5D Eggshell Gel Polish. It's ID 54839 if I'm not wrong. All the details will be in the description box so you can check them at any time. And this is basically in a tube container. It's a 8 gram and it's eggshell effect. So the thickness of the product or the amount of product that you're gonna get depends on the pressure that you put on the tube, but if you want to change the size, change the shape or anything, you can actually dip your brush in the acetone in the nail polish remover, and then you can model it just the way you want to. In that way it give you the opportunity to do anything you want to. I just created a random dot just to show you how the product looks like. So basically you can do anything you want to. The last one, this one, it's ID 55318, and this one is basically an extension gel, and it comes in a white color. It's a non-sticky one, so that means even if you put it on your head, you're not gonna stick over there, you're not gonna have that sticky feeling. So here I used peel of paste coat, so that's why the nail gonna come off easily. So I just gonna go show you the extension. So I'm just gonna press it on, cure it, shape it, and this is how it looks like. That's why it did come off. I did say that I used the peel of paste coat, so it can easily come off. The tip is pretty strong, so if you want to use these for a long nail extension, you can actually go for it. They're not gonna break easily, so you can rest assured by that. So this is the final look of both shades, and you can see the metallic ones to give you good effects. So yeah, this is it for today's video. I hope you liked it. I will see you very soon. Bye.